Welcome to Tea Time Fitness with Janice. Hi, I'm Janice Thornton with JT Fitness and Golf. Welcome everybody, and I'm so excited to introduce you to my friend Carl Horn. He's the inventor of this amazing device called the TrueTurn Pro. And this device is what's going to truly help your golf game and take it to the next level. So today we're talking about the 4 pillars of the golf swing. And we're going to be talking about internal hip rotation today, and it's a vital aspect to our golf swing.
Absolutely. It's impossible to hit a golf ball as best as you can without utilizing your hips. Your hip drive and your hip turn are essential to your golf swing, plain and simple.
Yep.
It doesn't work very well without it.
No, it doesn't. So let's talk about what do we do to get these hips more mobile?
Okay. So first off, let's give an example of what hip internal rotation is,
Yep.
and then what it looks like in a golf swing.
Perfect.
Okay. So how about we use you in your golf swing? Let's do that.
Okay.
So do me a favor and go to your address just like you just were and slowly take it to the top. Let's pretend like you have a golf club in your hand. All right. So your hips were square at address, but now if I were to get square to your hips, they're about 45 degrees rotated towards me. Right? Here your hips are here.
Yep.
Right? Go back to your address position. Now they're forward facing the ball, right?
Yes.
That is an example of internal hip rotation to your trail hip,
Yes.
okay? Because ideally we want this leg, this is your femur, ideally we want this femur to be stabilized and to stay neutral as you rotate towards me. So go ahead and stand up and let me come and take your place. That will be like this. This is internal hip rotation.
Yep.
That's external hip rotation.
Right.
So when you rotated your hip 45 degrees to the right to produce your backswing, it's like doing this,
Yes.
right?
Absolutely.
Internal, external hip rotation.
Yep.
So if I were to take it to the top, rotate my hips to impact, and then finish, I'm going to really rotate into my lead hip because
Yes.
I want my hips and my chest and my shoulders square to my target,
Yes.
right?
Yep.
That's almost 90 degrees of internal hip rotation. That's a lot,
It's a lot.
okay? Most people struggle with that,
Yes.
and it causes an array of things to happen in the golf swing. A lot of breakdowns. If I want to avoid rotating my hips, I will simply stand up and swing and lose my posture, create a reverse pivot. All kinds of things go wrong.
Right.
Internal hip rotation, crucial to a solid golf swing.
Absolutely. A lot of people, though, when they have low back pain, they have hip pain,
Absolutely.
that stops them
Yep.
from being able to do that
Yep.
rotation.
Yep.
However, you can work on it and you can make it a lot better.
Absolutely.